summer just around the corner, now is the perfect time to prep your outdoor spaces. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply enjoy the season to its fullest, these tips will help you create a beautiful and functional outdoor area. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, helping you get the most out of your home inside and out. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk about yard maintenance. Minnesota winters can be tough on your landscaping. Start by clearing away any debris from your lawn and your garden beds. It's also a great time to trim back any overgrown bushes or trees. Not only does this keep your yard looking neat, but it also helps prevent pests and promotes healthy growth. Do you have a patio or deck? If so, giving it a good clean can make a world of difference. Pressure wash the surfaces to remove dirt and debris from the past month. For those that are looking to add new features, think about building or upgrading a pergola or gazebo. These not only enhance the beauty of the outdoor area, but also provide much needed shade during those hot summer days. And let's not forget about the fun part, decorating. Outdoor rugs, cushions, string lights, they can transform a plain patio into an inviting retreat. Choose weather-resistant materials to ensure that they stand up against the elements. And for my fellow Minnesotans, incorporating a fire pit can extend the usability of your outdoor space into the cooler evenings. It's perfect for those nighttime gatherings or quiet evening under the stars. And finally, consider your garden's water needs. Installing a drip irrigation system is a water-efficient way to ensure that your plants get the hydration they need without overuse. This is especially important during our drier months. So there you have it. With these tips, your outdoor living space will not only look great, but will also be a perfect haven for relaxation or entertainment. If you're thinking about selling your home, these upgrades can also add a significant appeal to potential buyers. Thanks for watching. If you need more tips on home improvement or are looking to buy or sell your home, don't hesitate to reach out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And enjoy your summer outdoors.